Hi, I'm Amir from Stuttgart. I'm a PhD researcher in the Stuttgart University and also a member of the Max Planck Institute for the Intelligence System.
Hi, my name is Martin Phelan, and I'm a scientist from the Max Planck Institute for Intelligent Systems in Stuttgart, Germany. So if you take a look at the current state of magnetic resonance imaging, this existing clinical scanners suffer from economic burdens. They're expensive, harder to incorporate into clinics. So we're looking to actually develop a low-field, portable MRI system. And not only is it portable, but it's also robotic with assistance from KUKA. So it is well known that KUKA is a market leader in the field of robotic technology. So it is our hope that in the future we can partner with KUKA to actually democratize the use of a robotic MRI system. Our concept is a winner because we know for a fact that this has never been done before. Me as a scientist and also an entrepreneur, I'm personally excited about this project because I don't know if it's going to work, but I know that we're challenging a paradigm for diagnostic imaging.